Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Allianz Travel Insurance Review My Usage Experience. Allianz Travel Insurance Review My Usage Experience offers travel insurance policy comparisons and reviews. Its main purpose is to help travelers find the best travel insurance plan for their needs, comparing policies from various providers, including Allianz. The target audience is anyone planning a trip and looking for comprehensive travel insurance coverage. Key features likely include policy comparison tools and detailed reviews. Their website provides details on various aspects of travel insurance policies. It offers a straightforward comparison tool allowing users to filter options based on trip length, destination, and coverage requirements. Pricing transparency is a key focus, though specific details regarding pricing structures will depend on individual policies. The ease of use is stressed in their marketing materials. They don't appear to have any unique technology beyond a robust search engine and comparative data analysis. Availability is worldwide, given that travel insurance is a global service. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Allianz Travel Insurance Review My Usage Experience. I recently used their site to compare travel insurance for a backpacking trip through Southeast Asia. Getting started was incredibly easy. I simply entered my trip details, dates, destination, and activities, and the site instantly generated a list of suitable policies. Navigating the interface was intuitive. Each policy displayed key information like coverage limits, exclusions, and price in a clear and concise manner. The comparison tool itself was very efficient, allowing me to quickly filter and sort results based on my priorities. I was particularly impressed by the detailed policy summaries, which included reviews from other users. The site performed flawlessly, loading times were quick and the search function was very accurate. I had a quick question about pre-existing conditions and their support responded within 24 hours via email, offering a helpful explanation. A pro was definitely the comprehensive policy summaries. It saved me a lot of time. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. I had to rely on my laptop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Allianz Travel Insurance Review My Usage Experience. It helped me find a policy that perfectly suited my needs and gave me peace of mind before my trip. That's my overview of Allianz Travel Insurance Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.